Thanks for tuning in, everybody. We're going to go ahead and talk about getting started with WordPress, kind of a little bit about what it does. We're going to go through it a little bit quick. I won't explain all of the functions of the menu over here on the side, but just a few of them, enough to get you rocking. WordPress works with two different kinds of pages, I guess you could say. There's actual pages like your home page and your contact us page and the about page and stuff that is always going to be there. And then there's posts, and posts you can kind of think of as information that might change, recent updates, new equipment at the gym, got a new cupcake on our menu, things like that. So that's kind of how the whole structure of WordPress works, different from the classic old HTML websites. So I'm assuming that maybe that's what you're moving from, getting going with WordPress. You're used to making a new page, but now you may just want to make a post. So and WordPress also works off something called themes. So you can take these pages and posts that are always saved and then move them into a theme. And if you don't like the way the color looks or something like that, or the structure is, like maybe you want the widgets to be somewhere else, you can get a new theme and then make it look completely different. So depending on who your web host is, WordPress always comes with a couple of themes, a few themes, and they name them by year. So every year we get a new one. We got 2013, 14, and 15. I'm a big fan of 2013 because it's really simple, and you can really do a lot with it. It does everything you need from being responsive. Some people may disagree, but depending on who your web host is, they may offer you free themes. So you can click on Add New, and I'm with GoDaddy on their hosting right now for this video, and they offer all of these free themes that we can quite simply just click and install any one of these themes, and this is what our website will pretty much look like. You can also go out to Google and then how about free WordPress themes comes right up, and then you can definitely hear 50 free best free responsive WordPress themes. You can click on that, and there you go. 50 free themes. Pick through them. There's tons and tons and hundreds of thousands of themes out there, I'm sure, and you can use any one you like. For I guess this video, we'll just go ahead and show you install. You can click install like that from the provided themes from my host. You click activate, that starts it up. So now you can see that instead of having our 2015, which is what we had before, and that's what is here, this is what it looked like before. And then now that we have this theme, we're going to show, I'm going to open that actually in a new tab and just show you open my site in a new tab, so you'll be able to see what the website looks like now. So just by switching the theme, you can see that we made a huge difference in the website and the way it looks, and just how it's set up. So that's pretty cool. This is actually a pretty neat theme. I may work with this one. Looks pretty neat. And even if I go ahead and refresh this one, now you'll see it go from that to that. So there you have it. There's it's exactly how you get started. There's your theme all installed. You may download one from the internet, like I showed you, from Google. If you do, you would click on Add New, and then you would click this button, Upload Theme, and then you would click Choose File, and you would choose the zip file that it would give you. So zip files are basically a bunch of files that are put all into one, like a package almost. So you could think of it almost like a suitcase of files about your how your website's going to look. So you would grab that zip file after you choose file, you know, and it would open up, and then you would see a zip file somewhere in here, and you would grab that zip and click the open button or go button or whatever the affirmative button would be, and that's how you would upload your theme. And then you would see it in the theme screen. It would be here just like one of these, and then you would click the activate button, and that would start up your theme. So you can see my title is the same from one to the other. So here's my demo, have an awesome day, stays the same, and that's all the same. But you can also see that this hello world is there as well. And hello world is the first post that you'll always have with your WordPress, and that's actually a post, not a page. About is actually a page, so that tells about, you know, you or whatever, you know, whatnot. But that's an actual page versus a post, which is this hello world. So posts can go inside of pages, and we'll I'm sure get to more of that and how you can put them in certain places and use plugins very easily to make them show really cool. So for this, right now we're going to go back to pages. So I just went from appearance themes to pages, and I'm going to go ahead and I want to put a home page on this. H-O-M-E, home. So we'll put some text in here. This is my home page. We're going to publish that. Oop, dismiss that. Alright. So this theme I've never worked with before, but it looks like we get default layouts. We'll be able to choose. I'm not sure which one I really want to choose. We'll see how it goes. But I just added a home page, and I clicked that publish button, and it updated. So let's go back out to our website and see. Yeah, there it is, home. So the theme automatically put it on the in the menu bar for me, which is great. But it says about and home, which is kind of bad. So let's go and take a look at that. We'll go to appearance and menus. We'll check that. So we see we got home, about, and another home, and that's a little mysterious, but there's something else I want to check as well. Now, depending on the theme, you'll have to do is go to settings and reading. That's where we're at right here, and you'll be able to select static pages. Now what this means right here, this is where a lot of people get hung up. They expect when they install WordPress that it's automatically going to show just a home page, and it doesn't do that. It shows a page where it reflects all of your recent posts directly to that page, because it intends for you to really use it like a blog. But since WordPress knows that a lot of people are using it for a website, they give you this option to make it a static page. Now that I created that home page back in pages, now I can select that I want my front page to be my home page and my post page to be about. Or we can create another page that says blog or posts or something like that. But for this instance, right now, I'm going to use about. Make sure you save changes. So then let's check our website and see if anything's changed. And nothing should have changed yet because we haven't changed our menu structure. So let's go back to that appearance and menus. So we got our home and our about, but we got another home here, and that one's kind of weird. So we'll look at it. If you click on the right side there, they'll open up, and you see we got two homes. So let's just go ahead and remove one, and we'll see where it leaves us. But I also want this to move above the about page no matter what, and we'll go ahead and click save. And I like to name this main menu, and then save that menu. And now we just created and saved a menu. We structured it there, and we click primary menu, and that's going to put it in the primary position of our website. So that's how you structure your menu. If any of that was unclear, I guess you could rewind it. These bars right here move up and down. You just grab them, move up and down, click on the right, drops down. You'll see how all this moves in your interface, but make sure you click the primary menu and save. So let's go back out to our website, refresh that, and now you'll see the order has changed: home, about. And now you'll see you'll also notice that home page, it says this is my home page. So that's all good things. That's exactly how it should be. And about, fantastic. That's our hello world. That's our blog post. So let's take a look at a couple of other things. Like we see on this page, we've got comments. These comments here, maybe we don't want people to leave a reply on our website, and you want to kind of discourage that. So we'll go ahead and take a look over here on our pages. You'll get a little error like that if you attempt to leave a page before you save something, which is good. And then what we saw was comments on the home page. So I went to my pages and I clicked on quick view, and I can actually get this button right here, allow comments, and I can click update, and I'll go ahead and do that for my about page too, since I'm here. And we'll click update, and those are your pages, about and home, and editing them and everything. If you click on those, it'll take you right in there, and you'll see, you already saw how we did that. Let's see, posts, go back, hello world, there it is. Boom, there you go. So I'm going to go ahead and take a quick pause right here. This is again, really quick videos on how to get your WordPress website up and rocking. More informative and in-depth stuff will be in later videos, but I will see you soon.